Elle s'appelait Marinette, elle était jolie mais bête.
Welcome to your French class. In today's class, we'll do l'impératif. So l'impératif we use for giving order, command, suggestion, advice. And to whom we can give an order? We can only give order to second person singular, to tu, to whom you are talking. To second person plural, let's say if I'm talking to one person only, that person, I'll address him as tu. If I'm talking to more than one, I'll address second person plural as vous, you or you all. If I'm talking to someone and I'm including myself too in the same action, it can be a singular or a plural one. And if I include myself too, then it is no case. Now, if I say, you go there, it is not an order. Order should only have verb in the beginning. So I'll say, go there. If a teacher is talking to the entire class and she says, you all complete your work, it is not a command. It might sound like a command, but it is not grammatically, unless or until you start directly with a verb, saying, complete your work. If I include myself too in the same action, suppose I ask the second person to sing a song, and he says, no, I can't sing, and I include myself too, and I say, okay, let's sing. So the let's case is here, let's sing, let's go, let's speak, let's study, are all here nu conjugations. Now, because we are giving order, so the first rule says only verb should be there. Like I said, go there, finish your work or complete your work, or let's go, let's speak, let's study. Only verb should be there. And these tu, nu, vu cases are not needed. We can't write them in front. The second rule says write tu conjugations without s for all er ending verbs. Let's say parler verb is written in this way, tu parle in present conjugation. As per the first rule, tu is not needed. And the second rule says this s is also not needed here. You will simply write parle like this. Now the third rule says put this exclamation sign at the end. So if I take the same verb, parle, while giving order, I have to put this sign. If I am writing this order for tu, it will be written like this. Now we'll take few verbs and understand it more. Now let's take the first verb, parler. We'll write parler conjugation for tu, nu and vous. Only these three conjugations are needed. So the first conjugation for tu case here should be parle. The complete conjugation is this, but we'll remove this s. As per the rule, s is not needed. So it should be parle. Now we'll put this exclamation sign. So it is speak. I'm saying this word parle to second person singular. Now comes nu. Parler conjugation for nu is parlant. We'll write it as it is with this sign at the end. Vous conjugation of this verb is parler and this sign. So it is speak for the second person singular. Let's speak, parler for second person plural. Now the second verb is aller. The conjugation for tu for aller is va. Again we'll remove this s because aller is again er group verb. We'll put this exclamation sign. Nu conjugation of aller is allons. Go, let's go. And vous conjugation is aller. So I'm saying this to second person plural, go. Now, re ending verb, prendre. Tu conjugation is prend. Here we are not going to remove this s because it is not er group verb. It is re ending verb. So, this s will stay. Nu conjugation will be prenons. Let's take. Vous conjugation of this verb is prenez. Then comes partie. Partie is IR group verb. Tu conjugation of partie should be part. To leave. So leave for the second person. Partons. Let's leave. Partez for you all. Leave. Ne pas regarder. NAPA is written in this way, but we'll put it before and after the verb while giving a command or order. So na comes before the verb and pa will go after the verb. And here we'll write the conjugated form in the middle. Now, because ragarde is ER group verb, the S which should be there for tu conjugation will be removed. Na regard pa. So don't watch. Na regard do pa. Let's not watch. Ne regarde pas. It is for you or you all. Don't watch. Last verb is ne pas faire. Again, ne and pas will be placed before and after the verb. And faire conjugation for tu is fait. Ne fais pas. Exclamation sign. Don't do. Ne fais pas. Let's not do. Ne faites pas. Don't do. So this is the way how we conjugate regular verbs. These are not the irregular cases. Now we'll discuss the irregular cases of imperative. Now let's see the irregular cases. To learn these irregular cases, keep this same word in your mind. These are the initials of the verbs which fall here in this irregular category. With letter S, it is savoir. With A, it is avoir. With V, it is vouloir. And with this E, it is être. So the first verb savoir is written as sache for tu conjugation. Sache, sachons for nous, sachez for nous. So we say sache, sachons, sachez. Tu, nous, vous again are not needed here. We'll only write the conjugation. Second verb with this A is avoir, which is a, ayons, ayez. Third is vouloir, veuille, veuillons, veuillez. Last conjugation is être. With this E, it is être. Sois, soyons, soyez. Now we'll see the use of imperative in sentences. Now the first sentence is dash, te laver les mains. The verb is aller. This the here is indicating that we need tu conjugation. We are talking to second person singular this time. So, aller conjugation for tu is va, and the S which comes there in the present conjugation is removed. So, it should be va te laver les mains. Means go to wash your hands. Second is dash votre repas. Verb is manger. Manger verb. This votre is indicating now we have to write vous conjugation because we are talking to second person formal or the plural one. So it should be manger. Vous conjugation now we'll write manger votre repas. Eat your meal. Third sentence dash votre sac à dos. Verb is prendre. Now again, votre is indicating we are talking to second person formal or you can say second person plural. So prendre conjugation for vous is prenez votre sac à dos. Take your backpack. Number 4, dash maintenant. Your verb is jouer. It is ER ending verb. We don't have any such indications here which we focused on here, like ta was indicating we are talking to tu. Votre was indicating we are talking to vous. So here is nothing. You are free to write in such sentences. So we are taking no conjugation. Jouons maintenant. Let's play now. The fifth sentence dash immédiatement s'il te plaît. S'il te plaît is please. We are saying this to tu case, to second person singular, the informal case. So, the sound conjugation according to tu will write descends immédiatement. Get down immediately, please, or please get down immediately. Number 6, dash ton devoir. Again, this ton case is indicating we are talking to tu. So, fini conjugation for tu is fini. Fini ton devoir. Finish your work. So now, if you notice, wherever we are writing any IR group verb or RE group verb for tu, we are not removing S. So this S in fini conjugation will stay here. The same we did here. Dasandra conjugation was written here for tu case and S is written here. We did not remove it. So in this way, we write conjugations, picking few clues given here in rest of the part of the sentence. So I hope you understood the topic. If you need to understand anything related to the topic, do ask me in the comment box. Thank you.